A 450 Newton object is to be given an acceleration of 0.85 meter per second square. How large an unbalanced force must act upon it? So first again, kailangan muna natin kunin yung mga given parameters sa problem. So we have the gravitational force which is equal to 450 Newton because that is the weight of the object. At sabi nga natin, ang gravitational force ay tumutukoy din dun sa weight ng object. And then, meron tayong acceleration na 0.85 meter per second. So, sa problem na ito, ang hinahanap natin ay yung unbalanced force. So, by using the definition of second law, we know that net force is equal to the product of mass times acceleration. So, dito mapapansin natin na hindi given yung ating mass. Pero dahil given po yung ating gravitational force, makukuha po natin yung value ng ating mass. Okay? So again, sabi nga natin, gravitational force is also known as the weight, and the weight of the object can be obtained by using the expression W is equal to the product of mass times acceleration due to gravity. So, para po malaman natin yung value ng ating mass, i-divide po natin siya sa letter G, yung both side ng ating equation. At kapag dinivide po natin siya dun sa letter G, makakancel po yung letter G. At ang matitira ay yung ating letter M, which is yung mass. So in this case, mass is equal to W over G. So now let's plug in the values. Weight is equal to 450 Newton divided by 9.8 meter per second squared. And the mass of the object is equal to 45.92 kilogram. Now, ngayong meron na tayong mass, yung 45.92 gram, we can now calculate po yung ating unbalanced force. So, ang gagawin lang natin, isa-substitute natin itong value ng mass doon sa ating equation dito. And that is 45.92 kilogram multiplied by the value of our acceleration, which is equal to 0.85 meter per second squared. So, the answer po for the unbalanced force is equal to 39.03 Newton.